Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Vrinda. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Continuing to read from Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 9, Chapter 21. Does anyone remember what we read yesterday?
Hare Krishna. We were reading about how great Rantidev was and his other lineage, like all the others that came in his lineage. And then Krishna always said that, think of me. And one who always thinks of me, he says that he's the best yogi. And in association influence was also because all his citizens in the Rantideva kingdom were devotees also because he had influenced them. So they were very pure devotees also, and he was a pure devotee. And then we also read about the Brahmadatta, how the Sukhadev Goswami created his duplicate Sukha, who had who lived the Grahastha life, and her daughter Kritvi, wife of King Neep, one of the in the lineage of Rantideva, had a son named Brahmadatta. So we read until then. And Narottam Das Thakur also says that if one wants to be liberated, then he has to serve a pure Bhagavad.
Yeah. Yes, to serve a Bhagavad. Okay. So, although the yeah, the glories of Rantidev, and then, but I think the others who were coming was coming in the lineage of Guru, is it?
Ajimgarh? Is it
The
Ajimgarh?
son.
Hasti?
They're
Hasti?
coming from the other son. So anyway, they're coming from Bharat Maharaj, and
Okay.
then, but and then it became like the other sons, Ajamit,
Yeah,
and
yeah, yeah. Because
you
Garg,
know,
so there's the
yeah,
second,
Gar, yeah,
Rantidev. Yeah,
that's right, yeah.
yeah.
So okay, Jagish, Jagishva Yopadeshena
Jai
जगीत्सव अपदेशेन
Yoga Tantram Chakaraha
Yoga.
योगतत्रं चकारः
Udaksenastatastasmad
दक्षिणस्ततस्तस्मात्
Bhallato Bharha De Dishvaha.
Bhallato.
भद्रातो भारद्विषत्व
Translation and purport by His Divine Grace A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada. Following the instructions of the great sage Jagishavya, Vishwaksena compiled an elaborate description of the mystic yoga system. From Vishwaksena came Udaksen. Udaksen was born, and from Udaksen, Bhallata. All these sons are known as descendants of Brihadishu. So the lineage from Maharaj Bharat is going on. Vishwaksena, he had great yogic powers. So he's written about mystic yoga. Okay, and then, okay, yeah, Yavi Naro Dvimidhasya
Yavina
विनोरो
Kriti Mamstat Smitaha
Priti
कृतिमंस्तत्सुता स्मृतः
Namna Satyadhritistasya
Namna
नाम्ना
Tasya
सत्यस्य
Drid Dradnemi Suparshvakrit.
Dradni.
Nemi Suparshvakrita.
The son of Dvimedha was Yavinara, whose son was Kritiman. The son of Kritiman was well known as Satyadriti. From Satyadriti came a son named Dridanemi, who became the father of Suparshva. Suparshvat Sumatistasya
Sumatistasya
Putra Sanatimamstataha
Putraha
Sanatimantasya Tataha
Kriti Hiranyanaabhadyo
Kritihi Nabhato
Bhavyo
Yogam Prapya Jagausmashat
Yogam Prapya Jidosma
Yogachagokshamasta
Samhita Prachya Samnam Vai
Samhita
Samhita
Prachasyamanam Ve
Nipo Hi Ugra Yudhastataha
Nipohi Udraga
Udratyadastataha
Tasya Shemya Suvirotha
Tasya
Tasya
Shri
Shemaya Suvirodha
Suvirasya Ripunjayaha
Suvir
Rashripupanjayaha
From Suparshva came a son named Sumati. From Sumati came Sanatiman. And from Sanatiman came Kriti, who achieved mystic power from Brahma and taught 6 Samhitas of the Pratyasam verses of the Samved. The son of Kriti was Nipa, the son of Nipa, Udgrayudha, the son of Udgrayudha, Shemya, the son of Shemya, Suvira, and the son of Suvira, Ripunjay. So the lineage is going on. Tato Bahuratho Nama
Tatho Bahuratho Nama
Purumidho Prajo Bhavat
Urumi Prajo
Bhavat
Nalinyam Ajamidhasya
Nalinyam
Tasya
Nila Shanti Stutatsutaha.
Nila Shanti Stutat
From Ripunjay came a son named Bahurat. From Purumidha was sonless. Ajamidha had a son named Nila by his wife known as Nalini, and the son of Nil was Shanti. Shanti Shushantis Tatputra
Shanti Sushanti
Purujo Rakastato Bhavat
Urujo
Rakshatato Bhavat
Bharmyashvastanayastasya
Varmayasya
Panchasan Mudgaladayah
Pancha
Panchashanmukadadasya
Yavinaro Brahad Vishvaha
Yavina
Yavinarogyahadvishva
Kampila Sanjaya Sutaha
Kampila
Sanjaya Sutaha
Brahmyashvaha Prahaputra Me
Brahmavah Pradhaputra me
Panchanam Rakshanaya He
Panchanam Rakshanaya
Vishayanam Alam Ime
विषयाणाम् अलम् इमे
इति पञ्चालसंनिताः
इति पञ्चालसंहितः
मुद्गलात् ब्रह्म निर्वृत्तम्
मुद्गलाद् ब्रह्मा निर्वृतम्
गोत्रं मौद्गल्य संनिताम्
गोत्रं मोदगल्यां संचिताम्
Son of Shanti was Sushanti. The son of Sushanti was Puruj. And the son of Puruj was Ark. From Ark came Brahmyashva. And from Brahmyashva came 5 sons: Mudgal, Yavinar, Brahad, Vishwa, Kampil, and Sanjay. Brahmyashva prayed to his sons, "O my sons, please take charge of my 5 states, for you are quite competent to do so." Thus, his 5 sons were known as the Panchalas. From Mudgal came a dynasty of Brahmanas known as Maudgalya. Panchal. Draupadi is known as Panchali, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, so they are this coming in this dynasty.
So,
Oh my
Hare
sons,
Krishna.
Brahmyashva.
So, which these all are the Bharat ancestors, King Bharat ancestors?
Descendants. King
Descendants,
Bharat's
yeah.
descendants.
Descendants?
Yes. Yes.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So,
Yeah. Mithuna Mudgalad Bharmyad
Mitunam Kaladvamya
Brahmyad.
Divo Dasa Puman Abud
Divo Dasha Puman Abhibhut.
Ahalya Kanyaka Yasyam
Ahalya Kanyaka Yashyam.
Shatanandastu Gautaman
Shatanandastu Gautamat.
Udgal, the son of Bharmyashva, had twin children, one male and other female. The male child was named Divodas, and the female child was named Ahalya. From the womb of Ahalya, by the semen of her husband Gautam, came a son named Shatanan. So Ahalya and Gautam Muni, and their son is Shatanand. Tasya Satya Dhriti Putro
Tasya Satyadriti Putro
Dhanurveda Visharadaha
Dhanurveda
Visharadaha.
Sharadvamstat Suto Yasmad
Sharadvam Satsuto
Yasmat
Yashmat.
Urvashi Darshanat Kila
Urvashi
Urvashi
Darshanakila
Darshvanakila.
Sharastambe Patadreto
Sharastambe
Sharastambe Patatri.
Patatreto
Mithunantad Abuchubam.
Mitunam Tat Abucham
Abhakshubham.
The son of Shatanand was Satyadriti, who was expert in archery, and the son of Satyadriti was Sharadvan. When Sharadvan met Urvashi, he discharged semen which fell on a clump of shara grass. From this semen were born 2 all auspicious babies, one male and the other female. So Shatanand is the son of Ahalya and Gautam. Gautam Rishi, right? Ahalya and Gautam Rishi, and then Shatanand is born, and his son is Satyadriti. Oh, and his son Sharadwan. So Sharadwan is the grandson of Shatanan, great grandson of Gautam. Okay, anyway, he saw with Urvashi discharged semen clump grass, shara grass, and two all auspicious babies are born, one male, other female. Tad drishtva kripya krinaj.
Tat
तद्दृष्ट्वा कृपया
कृपया
गृह्णाच
Chantanur mragayam charan.
शान्तनो
शान्तनुर्मृगयानं चरम्
Kripa kumara kanya cha.
कृपा
कृपा
कुमारा कन्या
कुमारकन्या च
Drona patni abhavat kripi.
द्रोणपत्नी
द्रोणपत्नी
अपवत्कृति
अभक्तृपे
While Maharaj Shantanu was on a hunting excursion, he saw the male and female children lying in the forest, and out of compassion he took them home. Consequently, the male child was known as Kripa, and the female child was named Kripi. Kripi later became the wife of Dronacharya. Thus, in the Bhaktivedanta purpose of the 9th canto, 21st chapter of the Srimad Bhagavatam entitled The Dynasty of Bharat, the two babies that who found them then?
महाराज शांतनु
Yeah, Maharaj Shantanu. And who are these two babies?
yeah, Kripa and Kripi.
Yeah, we
Then
hear there a lot about them
we
in
have that,
Mahabharata,
yeah.
right?
Also Maharaj
Ma-
Shantanu, na? Yeah.
Maharaj Shantanu. Yeah,
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So is this Dwapar Yug going on?
Yeah, should
Because
be, yes.
yeah, because everyone is related with the like Mahabharata time, like Dronacharya.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yeah,
And
yeah.
this Maharaj Bharat, I mean, has nothing to do with the Rishabh Dev's, right? Son.
No.
Nothing, right? That
Yeah, that
is
Bharat
Ravina.
was Rishabh Dev's son, and this Bharat was son of, remember whose son he was?
Yeah. Uh,
Hmm. Dushmant and Shakuntala.
yeah.
The son of Dushmant and Shakuntala.
Um,
So
but
different Maharaj Bharat. Hmm?
but we read in our like textbook or some stories book, like this Dushmant and Shakuntala Putra was Bharat, and the Bharat name was kept on the this king Bharat.
Okay.
Like that's yeah, but just because of this king Bharat, this India name was Bharat. Like Bharat
Mm.
नाम उसी पे पड़ा था, yeah,
Yeah,
उन्हीं
I
के नाम
forget.
पे.
Was his, I forget,
Something
was
there,
his
but
this Bharat?
yeah, yeah.
Or was
I
it
think
the
so.
other Bharat
Yeah.
of Rishabh Dev? I can't remember now. Was it
That
Rishabh Dev's
Rishabh
son
Dev is
Bharat?
different, but this is actually, I think, modern
This is,
India.
this
I don't
is
know.
yeah, how we got the name Bharat, na? That India
Yeah,
got yeah, from this.
India in yeah,
Or from
Yes,
this
yes.
Bharat,
Bharat?
This one, this
Bharat.
one.
Yeah,
Okay.
this Bharat, King Bharat.
Not the other one. Not
No,
No, no.
the
no, no,
dear one. Ah,
no,
okay.
no.
Oh, okay, okay.
Because
So,
Dushmant and Shakuntala. Yeah,
okay.
put
All right.
son Bharat, and that this Bharat king was so nice and so spiritual, and he take care of his kingdom very nicely. So because of his work that
Hmm.
where he was ruling, that part was known as India. Like sorry,
Bharat. Okay.
Bharat. Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't remember the all. Very long time ago I read it.
Oh.
Actually, we even saw na, this thing when
Yeah, that's why it's Rishabh
yeah,
Dev
that's
Bharat
it.
is the fifth. He was the fifth incarnation, right? In some Guna avatar or some avatar, right?
Yes, 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 yeah.
He was. So this both are different.
Incarnation. Yes,
Yeah,
yeah.
both are different.
Rishabdev is not Guna avatar. Guna avatars are Lord Brahma, Lord Shiva, and Lord Vishnu. They're
Oh,
in
then
charge of
Rishabdev
gunas.
was in which
But
avatar?
Rishabh also was a
He's
avatar.
an incarnation. Yeah.
Oh,
He's an
incarnation only, no Guna
yeah.
avatar. Okay, okay.
Not Guna. Guna
Okay, okay.
avatar,
Mm-hmm.
they are Lord Shiva, Lord Brahma,
Mm-hmm.
and Lord
Vishnu.
Vishnu. Lord
Okay.
Rishabdev is an avatar, but
Uh-huh.
I can't remember which category. He is,
Oh,
yes, he is an avatar of the Lord, but not
oh.
Guna avatar.
Because we read here earlier, like Leela avatar is the 10th in the Dasha avatar we read, like Parshuram, Ramji, Krishnji, the Matsya avatar, Varaha avatar. Like these are the Leela avatar, right? Because
Uh-huh.
God came to do some special purpose. Save every time he came to save the earth with sometimes demons, sometimes some like bad circumstances or something like that. So and Guna avatar is Brahma, Vishnu, and Mahesh. Then Rishabdev in which category?
Because there's so many
Just
categories of
incarnation.
avatar. Because there are
Mm.
so many categories of avatar. Like we hear there's avatar in every Manvantar called Manvantar avatar. Then there's
Mm.
Shaktiavesh avatars.
Mm.
I can't remember which category he's in. But the avatars, we keep hearing that there are so many,
Mm.
portion of the plenary portion of the Lord. Now I can't remember.
Mm. Yeah,
Yeah.
okay, no problem. Because it little confusing, like there is so many incarnation, like Ans and Vibhansh, something like Purnans or Vibhan, something, I don't know. So many things to read. And now I told you, like I'm reading, I joined my brother-in-law team also in the morning. So they are talking
Nice.
about this thing, but sometime I'm busy, so I really don't take more attention. Sometimes the they were telling about something like this Manu, our Kaliyug Manu is Vyavatsa Manu, right?
Yeah.
Then they
Yeah.
are explaining like because we all are very much busy, like व्यस्त, हम बहुत व्यस्त हैं, we don't have any time to do like spiritual activity or take care of your family, mother, father, or like give pleasure to some others. So we are very busy in our own work. तो इसलिए ये विवत्स मनु है because we are व्यस्त.
Oh.
Yeah. So that I remember, that part I remember. Like व्यस्त, we are very busy. तो इस मनवंतर में व्यवस्थ मनु है जो कि
No.
हाँ, जो
Yes.
हम व्यस्त हैं तो इसका व्यवस्था करने के लिए वो अब आए हुए वो हैं, मतलब
Oh.
he will arrange everything like apart from our busyness. So व्यवस्थ
Oh.
व्यस्त is some, I don't know how he like divided in two words, and he explained like something like that. So it is easy to remember also कि हम लोग व्यस्त हैं और व्यवस्थ मनु अभी इस मनमंत्र में है.
Oh.
Sometime when you focus, you really take interest to learn.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Hare Krishna. So we finished chapter 21 and tomorrow we'll begin with chapter 22. Tomorrow begin. Okay, we'll stop here now.
Yes.
श्रीमद् भागवतम की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, गौर
Sure.
भक्त वृंद की जय। हरे कृष्ण।